In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDC from Coinbase to Binance. Don't make the same mistakes. Full 2025 guide. First, open your Binance app and sign into your account so you can access your wallet. From the home screen, head to Spot. This is where your deposit address will live and where your USDC will arrive. Next, tap Add Funds. You'll see options for bringing crypto into Binance. Choose Receive from Binance users. This will take you to the Receive screen where you can set up the exact details for the deposit. Now choose Network. This step is critical. USDC exists on multiple blockchains, and the network you pick here must match the network you'll send from in Coinbase wallet. Take a moment to confirm the network you actually hold USDC on, because sending to the wrong network can lead to delays or loss of funds. Once you've selected the correct network, Binance will display a deposit address. Copy the address carefully. If there's a QR code, you can use that later, but the copy button is usually the safest. Switch over to Coinbase Wallet and log in or unlock the app. Make sure you're in the wallet where your USDC is stored and that it's on the same network you selected on Binance. Also, check that you have a small amount of the native gas token for that network, like ETH on Ethereum or similar on other networks, because network fees are paid in the native coin, not in USDC. Tap Transfer to start the send. Enter the amount of USDC you want to move. It's smart to leave a tiny buffer in case you need to make another transaction. When you're ready, tap Send. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Take a few seconds to compare the first and last characters of the address with what Binance shows, and confirm the network is still set correctly in Coinbase Wallet. When the preview shows the details, tap Yes, looks good. Review the fee, the amount, and the destination one last time. If everything checks out, tap Confirm to submit the transaction. After you confirm, the transfer will broadcast to the network. Confirmation times vary by network and by how busy it is, but you can track progress in your Coinbase wallet activity. Once the transaction finalizes, the USDC will appear in your Binance Spot wallet under USDC. If it's not visible right away, pull to refresh and check your deposit history for status. That's it. You've safely transferred USDC from Coinbase Wallet to Binance.